Why is no one talking about Twitter age verification? Twitter, now called X, has rolled out age verification, but why is no one talking about it? Let's break it down. So, why age verification exists? Age checks are required for adult content, sensitive media, Europe recommender systems, and advertiser targeting. It's about compliance with global laws and protecting minors. Second, the verification method. So, you may be asked to upload an ID, take a selfie, or rely on payment history. In some regions, self attestation is allowed, but stricter countries demand official documents. So, why few talk about it? Rollout is uneven, strict in the UK, Europe, and Australia, but lighter in Asia. Many users never see prompts unless they view flagged content. Privacy fears also keep people from discussing it openly. So, uploading IDs raises data security concerns. Some users can't verify due to field recognition. Advertisers risk violations if they ignore new rules, and VPN demand has surged as people try to bypass checks. So, tax age verification is real but uneven. It's about compliance, privacy, and regional enforcement.